Hi there. We are back with your January 2024 tips and tricks. I don't know where 2023 went, but here we are. So, for January, our challenge for you for the month of January is to post a picture or a video of how you rang in the new year. So, it'll just give a little bit of insight into you and your life. Maybe you were with your young children and you did New Year's at 6 p.m. Maybe you were out with friends, or maybe you were doing something really cool and interesting and different. So that is our challenge for you this month. In our January tips and tricks, we have tons of different suggestions to share, from your New Year's resolutions to where you are volunteering, to just different testimonial options. So definitely download the document that we are providing. It is completely free. You can see the link down below and check out all of those suggestions. There are also a lot of social media holiday post ideas. So, of course, we have New Year's Day and MLK Day in January, but we also have a lot of really fun suggestions for your social media, with fun social media holidays, anywhere from National Trivia Day, which is on January 4th, to National Dress Up Your Pet Day, which is on January 14th, and even National Cheese Lovers Day, which is probably my favorite because I love all cheese. So again, make sure that you download that document for the full list of everything, and hopefully it'll help you continue to post and stay in the algorithms and grow your social media. If you have questions about what our team at Flow does, make sure to follow us on all of our social media channels. We're always giving tips and tricks, and just reach out to us if you have any questions about our do it for you social media solutions. Happy New Year and all the best to you in 2024.